Hello Trophies, welcome to this 5-minute rebounder challenge where we're going to be targeting the upper body, doing 5 minutes straight of battle ropes on a rebounder. I'm Trophy Steffi. Thank you so much for joining me today. And this is my Cellar Sizer Spring Rebounder with a handlebar. It is linked in the description box below. So for the first half of the 5 minutes for battle ropes, we're going to be focusing on the down throw. And we're going to be throwing it down to the beat of the music, and we're going to be throwing it down on the down bounce. And then for the second half of the 5 minutes, we're going to stay right in this form, but we're just going to switch our mind to up throw connection. So the up throw will happen in the up bounce, which is the same exact form as the down throw, just targeting different muscles. I want you to engage your core. I want you to nose breathe throughout the entire 5 minutes, which means you might have to modify your pace in order to have a happy heart rate, nose breathe, and connect mind to upper body and core. Let's get this 5 minutes started right now. Here we go. you so much for joining me today. Who feels so jacked? Amazing job. If you like this routine, please give it a thumbs up. I want you to comment below and tell me how many breaks did you take. You did so great. Your arms are probably feeling really good. I encourage you to maybe take a moment to body tap your upper body. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you're interested in more routines from I Jump Instead, definitely go to our join button and check out our very affordable memberships. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next class. Bye-bye.